Hello viewers, welcome to the new sewing hub. In my next video I'll be showing you guys how to fix this design, that's the pocket and the placket. So just watch closely how it's been done. But in my next video I'm going to show you guys the full detailed video on how to sew it. So if you are yet to subscribe, click the subscribe button and also like this video button, and also remember to turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post this new video you see how the process is being done. So stay tuned and enjoy. See you guys in my next video. Just watch this video to the end and see how it looks like. Okay. Now see how it's been done. And also anywhere that you're finding difficult in maybe any part of any sewing this thing, just drop it in the comment section. I'll just go through the comment section when I'm free. I'll also make a tutorial video on it. Okay, stay tuned to my channel. Bye guys, see you guys in my next video. Just keep what am I even saying? It's your boy Ichichu. See you guys in my next video. Remember to click the subscribe button because that's what validates you to watch the next video. Bye.